how to transfer money from Wells Fargo account to another Wells Fargo account. Now, on this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for the web browser. You can also use your preferred web browser. Now, to get started, all you have to do is on the search bar, all you have to type in Wells Fargo. And then here, all I have to click is the first result right here, which will route you to the official Wells Fargo website. Now, this is going to be your website interface, and all you have to do is to log in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to sign up. Now, transferring money from Wells Fargo to another Wells Fargo account is very easy. Once you logged in, transfer is will be automatically visible on your screen. To do so, again, logged into your account and then select the accounts you would like to transfer money from and to. And then to transfer money between accounts at Wells Fargo and accounts at another bank, you'll have to select Add Non-Wells Fargo Accounts. This will reflect, or this is going to take effect if you will be transferring to another bank. But if you're going to be transferring to another account but will be the same as Wells Fargo, then all you have to type in is just the recipient name from and then the to. So that's how easy, fast, and quick you can transfer money from Wells Fargo to another Wells Fargo account.